Nation, it's me, Nalina Knives. I feel great because I finally had time for myself to do my makeup, feel like me again. So without further ado, let's go ahead and try on some clothes. I have the bag right here. I have not opened it. Honestly, I cannot remember what any of these are. So if you guys have already watched my last Shein haul, you know that I like to add in 1 or 2 articles of clothing that are just a little bit more revealing, I guess. So I just unboxed something and I'm like, that's completely see-through. Cool. Why not, you know? So let's go ahead and try on something that's not see-through to start off. I kind of remember it now. I think this is one of the items that, you know, you kind of just impulse put to the cart and then you check out and you're like, oh, I actually did not mean to buy it, but it's here. All right, so let's go ahead and pop on the skirt. The skirt fits really nice. I like it a lot. This is so cute. Okay. It's giving me kind of like pinup vibes. And if you do want to show just a little bit of stomach, you can lower down your skirt and it should look fine. I'd probably say here's where my comfort level lies. I don't mind this at all. I think it's really cute. So this one is a shirt. So I'm gonna keep this skirt on. Okay, so the shirt is just a little bit big. However, I love the print and you know, it's not scratchy, it's pretty soft. It is a little bit big in the strap area. So this is what the shirt looks like. It comes down right here. I think it's really cute. All right, so our next thing to try on is a shawl. This isn't the softest material. I have a lot of black shawls. I just don't have a lot of white ones. I actually like this. It fits really nice. Looks cute with this top as well. I'll go ahead and step back and I'll show you guys what this looks like. But I really like it. I might actually wear this more than I wear my black ones. So this is perfect if you just want to add like a little bit of contrast in your black wardrobe. It's totally cute and it's comfortable as well. I don't feel like this is one of those things that's gonna make you really, really hot. It's really lightweight material. It's almost like a mesh. But yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? This shirt's really soft. It's so cute. Since the straps are already big, I can just slide right out of it. So I love the way this fits. It's really soft, really comfortable. It also goes down probably a little bit past my thighs. I love it. So comfortable. Oh my god. Now let's go on to the next one. Here's where it's going to get a little crazy. I ordered a schoolgirl outfit, so I thought it would be actually kind of like funny. I think this is a size 1X or an extra large. The material is very stretchy, so I think I made a good call on getting a smaller size. I got it. So normally you wouldn't wear a bra with this, but since I am on camera, I'm not trying to get too comfortable with you guys. And it comes with a skirt. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that on. This isn't like the other ones where you can like pull the skirt up all the way, because then it looks so weird. I do not feel like myself. Give me one moment. I don't know how to feel about this, but I'll put my hair up in pigtails and we'll see. This is like one of those expectations versus reality moments for me. I don't even know if I want to step back and show you guys. Like, I don't think I want to embarrass myself like that. Like, the skirt is a no. The skirt is a no. I'm gonna step back anyway, but if you guys don't see the footage, it's because I decided not to include it. So we're actually gonna try this over the outfit. This is like giving me Britney Spears vibes. I don't know why, it just is. Last but not least, we are going to be doing this. So this is a size 4XL. I thought it was really cute when I saw it online. However, a lot of their models, if not all of them, for the plus size section, they all have flat stomachs, and I kind of just felt like, you know, I don't have a flat stomach, so I really don't know how in the world this shit is actually going to look at me. But on the models, it looked pretty nice. This is actually soft. I don't know what I was expecting. This is cute. This is cute. It even comes with a belt. That's so cute. I'm gonna actually put the belt on. I think this is just to give an appearance of like a little bit more of a cinched waist. Because I had this one dress, not from Shein, but I bought it, but the belt that it came with was way too tiny. And yeah, made me feel kind of bad. I love this outfit. Look how cute this is. Obviously not with this bra. I would go either with a nice bold red bra or keep it simple and just do a black bra. I don't feel as if I am actually plus size with this on. It gives me enough coverage, but with enough exposure. I feel like this shirt is a perfect balance of exposure and coverage. And I like it. It's very roomy. It's enough room to like move in. Go ahead and leave down below what was your favorite, what outfit you didn't really like. Let me know everything. If you guys have suggestions, go ahead and leave down some links from Shein that you want me to try on. I am usually a size 4XL. So yeah, I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I was so excited to do this, and I'm even more excited to wear these out. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.